Before performing any cleaning or maintenance, make sure the firearm is completely unloaded. This includes the magazine and chamber. Always wear eye protection and perform the maintenance in a well-ventilated area. We recommend reading your firearm owner's manual for specific field strip and cleaning instructions. For this rifle, we're using the Krome Modern Sporting Rifle Kit. This kit includes an upper receiver cleaning brush, chamber cleaning brush, slotted tip, jag, cotton patches, cleaning rope, and bore cleaning brush. The kit also includes a slotted tip and brass jags for rifles chambered in .223, 5.56, and 7.26 .30 caliber. Assemble the 3-piece brass rod for use with the slotted tip, jag, and bore brush. Here we're pushing a small cotton patch over the end of the jag until it punctures. Apply a small amount of cleaner degreaser to the patch and run down the barrel until the patch completely comes out. Be sure to keep the cleaning rod centered and do not drag it down the sides of the barrel when cleaning. Alternatively, you can use the cleaning rope for fast and efficient barrel cleaning. Drop the rope with the threads facing down through the upper end of the receiver. Feed the rope through until it comes out at the end of the barrel. Use the handle from the brass cleaning rod and thread it onto the rope. Attach the slotted tip to the brass threads on the end of the cleaning rope and prepare a wet or dry patch. Gently guide the end of the cleaning rope into the upper receiver and the barrel extension. Grab the handguard with your opposite hand and slowly pull it through the barrel until it completely comes out. Repeat this process several times, or attach a bore brush to the rope to remove any built-up copper or fouling. Attach the handle to the nylon chamber cleaning brush and insert into the chamber and begin scrubbing in a clockwise manner. Use the large brush to loosen any fouling where the bolt carrier group moves in the upper receiver. Apply a small amount of cleaner degreaser to a large cotton patch and wipe out any fouling or old lubricant. Use another clean cotton patch to wipe down the bolt carrier group and charging handle. Once you have the components in your rifle fully cleaned, you can apply a small amount of high-quality lubricant to any high-friction areas. Look for any areas that show slight wear and apply the lubricant in that area. Reassemble the rifle in the reverse order you disassembled it. And operate the charging handle to ensure the rifle is back in working order.